All right, so we just got this from Amazon. HiLIFE Portable Garment Steamer. You're only supposed to use it 100 to 120 volts in regions such as the US, Canada, Japan. So let's just open it up and see what we got. All right, you need directions. This looks like the head that goes in the top. It's got a little bucket to fill with water. And then here's the unit. Bam. That's it right there. So we put the water in there, and I guess all we do is just put this on like this. I know it's got to go somewhere. So, then just close it like that. So that's open, that's closed. So you got to put the water in there. Got to fill it up to right there. You see that thing in there? That's where you fill it up to. Let me show you on this side. Right there, that's the max. That's as high as you can fill it. And then you got to just plug her in here, plug it into the wall, and then you got to press that to turn it on. On, off, so it's binary, 0 and 1. That's off. So all we got to do now is just set it up and try it. See what we think. You guys ready? Let's do it. So we got to fill her up to there. Do I just put regular water?
Well, I'm going to get, after I'm going to get what you call it.
All right, so that's that. And then I just pour it in there. Just like this. Is that enough? Look. Where's it supposed to go to?
Yeah, just
That should do it? All right, so we got to put it go like this. And that locks it. Push it this way, comes off. This way, locked. So we just got to hit that, and then we wait for that to boil. And then we can finish our shirt, which we're doing a great job on. Oh, look how fast it does it. As you can see, it's boiling. And that's good because you can feel the heat. And yeah, I think we might be ready. This one's got a nice long cord. So let's see what happens. Oh shit, that's not good. Put that thing back in. It's hot, so be careful.
push that side in.
Okay. Cross your fingers. Do you have to press the button to make it do it?
I did press the button.
It's moving on you. Hang on. Is it working? Maybe
Yeah.
it's just this material. Oh, shit.
I don't understand why that won't stay on.
I have to push it.
Did you push it on better?
I think it's on.
I mean, it shouldn't. Just
Won't. Oh, that's
right?
that burned my that
Honey,
burned my
there.
thumb.
I'm sorry.
That's hot as shit.
I'm sorry. Yeah, it should be. Sorry. Is it okay? Do you need ice?
I don't know. Well, it's starting to work. That was a real mistake I just made.
Oh, honey, I thought you realized.
That's going to be a second degree.
Okay, get a little cool water on it while you're sitting there then.
Well, no, I got to get you doing this to see if it works.
Well, it looks like it does enough.
Is it working?
Yeah.
All right, she's going to keep working on it. In case of a burn, just cold water, not ice. Just cold water. All right, I think I'm good. I think I'm going to live. Oh, that's kind of working, huh?
Yeah.
What is the brand of this one?
I don't know. It
Oh.
was the top one on.
Well, one thing we know for sure that it will burn the snot out of you if you're not careful. But this one's super hot.
This is too high for me to work with.
Let's get it down.
Pull
Let's,
that open.
let's pull this open and put it on there. There we go. Mothers of inventions is necessities. That is working good. Yeah, that's working much better than the other ones.
Yeah.
All right, I think she's going to be happy with that. Let's take a look and see what kind it is. Here it is. Do a screenshot. It's got all the info right here. Read that. Here's some more info here. Let's see if there's something on this side. More stuff here. So it's called HiLIFE. I think it's made in China, I'm pretty sure. Back to the steaming. And so we're getting closer, but it looks 100% better for sure. And this one is definitely a hotter, stronger steam valet thing. And it's making it look pretty good, I gotta say. I'd give it at least 3 stars, maybe 4. I might take a star away because it burned my finger, so.
But of course, before you unscrew it, like 15 minutes.
All right, so maybe we should unplug it for a second.
It's off.
Oh, it's off? Wait, this is the on button?
Yeah.
So that's on. That's off. And then this twist, but we don't want to twist it now because it's hot steam.
And when it stops boiling,
So
I'll
we've
take
gotta-
it off.
All right, so we gotta let it stop boiling,
You can do a video on
and then we
this
can
if you
take it
want.
off. All right, so we gotta take this apart, and pour the water out. Of course, I did unplug it, so that's important, right? And now we can put it away. How's that sound?